In the dean's porch, a nest of clay, 5 small tenants may be seen. 5 solemn faces, each as wise as though its owner were a dean.
5 downy headlings in a row, packed close as in the antique pew. The schoolgirls are whose foreheads clear at the very Creator shine on you.
Day after day the swallows sit, with scarce a stir, with scarce a sound, but dreaming and digesting much they grow, thus wise and soft and round.
They watch the cannons come to dine, and hear the million bars across, over the fragrant fruit and wine, deep talk of roots green and re-riddles.
Her hands with field flowers drenched, a child leaps past in wind-blown dress and hair. The swallows turn their heads askew, 5 judges deem that she is fair.
Prelusive touches sound within, straightway they recognize the sign, and blandly nodding they approve the minuet of Rubinstein.
They mark the cousin schoolboy talk, and blink at each broad term of art. Binomial or bicycle, a downy young one, soft and warm. Doth such a stillness mask from sight, such swiftness can such peace conceal, passion and ecstasy of flight. Yet somewhere mid your eastern suns, under a white Greek architrave, at morn or when the shaft of fire lies large upon the Indian wave,
a sense of something dear gone by will stir, strange longings thrill the heart, for small world embowered and close, of which ye sometime were a part.
the dew-drenched flowers, the child's glad eyes, your joy unhuman shall control, and in your wings a light and wind shall move from the maestro's soul.